Hi guys, welcome to Chum Nim's channel. Today I'm going to share my personal favorite recipe for the peanut cookies. The first ingredient is oats, wheat, powder, sugar, and peanut butter. You can find this in any grocery store. And 2 eggs, and finely chopped dark chocolate, and cornstarch to crunch it up. These are the ingredients we are going to use for making the peanut cookies. Take a bowl and add sugar slowly, and now take a tablespoon and add peanut butter. We will need 4 tablespoons of peanut butter. Now we are going to add the 2 eggs into the bowl. Crack the egg properly so that the eggshell does not get into the dough. Now we are done with putting the eggs into the bowl. Next ingredient is the flour. But now, before adding the flour or anything, we are gonna whisk the ingredients properly through a whisker. Mix the ingredient really well so that we are not so that we get the proper taste. Now you can see the ingredients are properly mixed. It's perfectly fine if there are lumps in the mixture. And now we're going to add the cornstarch to crunch up the yummy peanut butter cookies. It's like a secret ingredient. And now we're going to add the wheat powder into the mixture. Gradually mix it with the rest of the ingredients. And now add the rest of the flour as well. Now mix, mix and mix. And now we're going to add our best and the secret ingredient of all is the milk. So that by adding wheat powder, our dough was a bit rough and stiff. Now while adding milk in it, it'll be a mild texture. And now we're going to add our oats to the mixture. Add little by little so that you're not going to make a mess. And now add the rest of the oats as well. And now mix it gradually. Once the oats and other ingredients are properly mixed, we're going to add our finely chopped dark chocolates into the mixture. Mix the dark chocolate properly with the mixture. Now you can see our mixture is about a dough consistency. Not too runny and not too hard. It's just soft. Now we're going to cover the mixture with a foil or a plastic paper and keep it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to chill. And now after 30 minutes in the fridge, we're going to use a ice cream scoop to make small cookie balls out of it. So we're going to scoop our first cookie ball. You can see now we are almost done with making our cookie balls. Now use a tablespoon and tap on the top of the cookie balls. You can see how perfectly round cookie balls we have made. Just using our ice cream scoop, we can have perfect round shaped cookie balls. And the cookie balls should have equal distance from each another so that it does not stick and get messy, because once we put in the oven, it's going to rise, so it's going to be stick. Now we're going to put the cookie balls into the oven for about 370 degrees for about 8 to 11 minutes. And now after 8 to 11 minutes, we have taken our peanut cookies from the oven. You can see how beautiful and look at the crumbs on the top, and you can see how crunchy it is on the top, and it's perfectly round and golden brown. and make sure you put all these cookies in a airtight container. You can see how soft inside it is. Do not overcook the cookies. Thank you for watching Chum Nim's channel. Make sure you subscribe it.